Can you hold up your hammer for me? Cool. Are you sore? What you doing? What you doing, big boy? Can you say ba? Say papa? Say papa, Brendan. Can you say papa? Yes. Say hi. Hi, Papa. Can you show Papa your hammer? Ooh, that's a cool hammer. That's gross. B.